Hello everybody, welcome back. Well, I'm sure at least some of you are enjoying your brand new Ubuntu 12.04 precise pangolin. I know I am, at least in one of my computers. But for this screencast, we are going to do, or I'm going to do another comments corner. I haven't done one of these in a while. This is basically where I pick a random video and I comment on some of your comments. This is just something to change the pace of the channel, something different. Most of you seem to like it. This also gives me a chance to catch up on maybe some of your comments that I may have missed, or when someone says hello or question and then somehow I miss it. I do apologize if I have. I try to reply to every single comment. I know I probably don't, and hopefully maybe this will make up for some of that. Okay, first of all, welcome aboard, all of the new subscribers. Thank you for all of your kind comments. Let's see, Ian Bennett says hello. Hello, Ian, Astro Vault, and the rest of you, welcome to the show. Alright, I have chosen, since Ubuntu 12.04 Final was just released, this was a video done last month, which was Ubuntu 12.04 versus Windows 7. Now this was actually the 12.04 Alpha 2 version. Now, I normally never mess with alphas and betas. They're just, well, they're not ready. They're not, finalized, and they're basically, at least some of the stuff, if not, like most of it is basically junk. But I was very impressed with the Alpha 2 that I kept it in one of my machines, kept updating, and I'm impressed. And at the time I was so impressed, even with an Alpha 2, that I did an Ubuntu 12.04 versus Windows 7. Now, I think one of you or two of you said maybe this was an unfair comparison. Maybe so, but I did this to show that I was really impressed with Ubuntu 12.04, and now that it has been released as a final version, it still compares pretty nicely to the other operating system I use as a dual boot. Okay, well, let's get to some of your comments. If I don't read your comment, please don't take it personal. I don't want to make this an hour-long show. I pick them at random, and I will try to reply to at least some of them. Okay. Ubuntu 12.04 isn't as powerful gaming-wise. At least I've got Minecraft running, the only game you'll ever need. But it looks so much better, and it's way more customizable through its software center apps than Windows 7 is. If only I could find a decent slideshow with sub-options, it would be perfect. Kind of like Windows Movie Maker. Yeah, if you don't know, I don't play any kind of PC games, although I would say that Windows probably holds the edge for computer games, although I think Linux is getting better, and it appears that someone answered that question. First of all, the question was from Resler, and the answer was from Ma8085. Trying OpenShop and a program called Photo Film Strip. I am familiar with OpenShot, but I don't believe I have tried Photo Film Strip. Okay, let's see. You should be comparing Windows 8 and Ubuntu 12.04, not 7. I will when Windows 8 is released as a final, but yeah, maybe in the future. Okay, once again for Ma8085, Windows 12.04 and OS 10 Mountain Lion are both better looking UI than Windows 8. Windows 8 is not user-friendly at all, and it is a sloppy made OS. Well, I think it's user-friendly. I mean, I think they should put back the classic start button as an option. That's one thing that I believe is sorely missing. Okay. Let's see. Keep in mind that it's still in beta. Yup, Spangers. I hope I say that right. No, it's actually a final right now, right? Let's see. Mint 13 should be stellar. That was me. Let's see. Ubuntu 12.04. The adjustable Unity bar is a big plus for me now. I always thought that bar was a drawback from plus U to me. Yeah, I guess it is adjustable now, isn't it? And that's anything that is more customizable for Linux is always a plus, I guess. Let's see. Alright, hello. I am trying to switch from Ubuntu to Kubuntu. To me, it seems more customable than the Unity bar. But after installing the loading screen of Kubuntu freezes and never goes to the login screen. P.S. I am on Ubuntu right now, both of it, and both of it and Ubuntu work perfect except Kubuntu, which keeps freezing. Any idea how to fix this? Kubuntu has just, I mean, Kubuntu looks great, but this is something that Kubuntu just has never really caught my attention long enough for me to install it as a full-time operating system. I know that Kubuntu, if you run all the fancy graphics, you should have at least a gigabyte of RAM, if not more. And I think my reply to Commandant 101, hello, you should have at least a gigabyte of RAM. I would recommend at least 2 gigs, and also check the downloaded MD5 before installing. If the file is corrupted, then the operating system will not work correctly. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is from Double Upgrades. Okay. I prefer triple. Nah, I'm just kidding. Ubuntu 12.04, then install Cinnamon, remove Unity equals the best Linux. Maybe. Oh, let's see. Burst pipes. Well, I hope that's not a problem. I really like your video review, but I am not so keen on why you have made the theme look broken. I am looking forward to the final release, and of course it's better than Windows 7. Of course. Should Ubuntu for Android take off? It might. I can see more and more people making the switch. Way to go, Canonical. I totally agree. Way to go, Canonical. And I replied, what did I say? Just messing with the theme. Yes, Android. Ubuntu should be cool. And let's see here. Okay, balanced review. Liking it more than Mint 12. Speaks volumes regarding reliability, especially of an alpha. Thanks for the report. Thank you, Gatorman32656656. Okay. Let's see. Unity is cool. Ubuntu is great. Cool. The best OS ever from Warner Friends. Okay, it's cool. From Wraith Big Papa. What's up, Big Papa? Pentium M, did you find some dinosaur bones next to that thing when you dusted it off? Yeah, I have Ubuntu 12.04 installed on my old, outdated laptop with the Pentium M, but it just goes to show you can install Linux on at least some outdated computers. Okay. Let me keep scrolling down. Let's see here. How about a little bit of a short comment? Let's see. I read somewhere that 12.04 will have better multi-monitor support. Any idea what that all means? From tbear0574. At the time I wrote, no, I didn't know, but I think I read somewhere after that that it does have multi-monitor support. If I'm wrong, you guys can correct me. Alright, let's see. I guess a couple more. Linux and Windows communities. Windows has no community. Come on, you are insulting the word community. Now. Sully 8, be nice. Of course there's a community, and they can be just as bad or just as good as any other community, I suppose. Okay, let's see. One more. Let's see, which one? How about this one from 193CLM? Never could get into Fedora, love Arch, but unfortunately with my iPhone, I guess I'm still on Windows. I'm sorry to hear that, 193CLM. Okay, well that's it for Comments Corner for Ubuntu 12.04 versus Windows 7. All I can say is 12.04 Precise Pangolin is terrific as a dual booter. I'm enjoying it. It's one of the more stable, polished, if not the most stable, polished OS that Canonical has put out in years. Way to go, guys. Terrific operating system. I am enjoying it. Alright guys, thank you so much for listening and watching, and as always I will catch you in the future. Ciao.